Horses out. We have Aloha. Pass to begin. Moving up on the outside now. Pateros Haven sailing away. Potomac River. Grace Park Boy. And has it coming. Pateros Haven by about 2.5 lengths. Grace Park Boys on the outside. In the middle portion, sailing away Aloha, Potomac River, and has it coming. They swing into the back. And it's still Pateros Haven by Ralenka. Aloha in second alongside third, Grace Park Boy. Potomac River is racing by Drillport alongside sailing away and has it coming. And it's still Pateros Haven by about 2.5 lengths this time. Aloha still in second. Grace Park Boy in third. Moving up by Drill now. Potomac River sailing away and has it coming. And it's still Pateros Haven by about 4 lengths. Aloha, Grace Park Boy. Potomac River is running by Drillport, sailing away and has it coming as they come down at the last 150. Pateros Haven by about 5 lengths. Aloha, Potomac River is down on the inside. Last 150. We've got Pateros Haven by about 6 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Potomac River. Last 50 meters, it's all Pateros Haven. Second is Potomac River. Aloha, Grace Park Boy sailing away and has it coming.
5124?
Yep. 36.